In this video, I'm going to reveal a stupid, simple, two-step approach where you can start earning money with other people's Facebook groups. And if you stay into the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn a full-time income without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads or even a large mailing list. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so Facebook groups can still be super profitable and super powerful if you do them correctly. The problem is most people do them incorrectly. Most people are spamming. Most people are creating content that has nothing to do with the actual group. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of other people's junk, how you can take advantage of other people's Facebook groups, and how you can generate more traffic to your landing page, get more leads, and make more money. So the first thing that you want to do obviously is come over to Facebook and then come down to the search bar here and then type in your niche. For this example, I'm going to use affiliate marketing just like this. And then on the left-hand side, we are going to type in groups. Now these are all the different groups that are talking about affiliate marketing. The problem with these groups and a lot of groups that are on Facebook, a lot of them are absolutely junk, okay? A lot of them are just creating content to create content. A lot of people are spamming, and we're going to rise above that. We're going to provide great content, good content, and we are going to make money. So what I recommend that you do is join 5 to 10 of these groups. So just open them up, click join. As you can see, I'm in a number of these groups. The next step is you want to take a look and see the type of content that they're creating. Most people are creating junk content in these groups, and so we are going to do something a little bit better. What we're going to do, and this is going to be 100% for free, we are actually going to create helpful content. And we are going to use a website called Canva to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Canva, canva.com, and we have two options. We have the option of using social media posts or videos. I recommend videos because they take up more of the screen, they're more engaging, and Facebook pushes those out a little bit more. And so once you click on mobile video, the next step is to start creating content. Now there are a bunch of templates to use. I have just grabbed one, as you can see, one of the free ones, and I've just created a simple video, how to start affiliate marketing. We are going to provide helpful tips. So I've got 3 tips here. I would probably include another 3 tips, but this is just an example. And then at the bottom here, I provide a link to my landing page or, something that I actually own and maintain. Real simple, real easy. Another option, as I mentioned, is you can do social media posts and then do do Facebook posts. Now, those don't get as much engagement as videos do, but you can do either one. All right. So once you create the video, personal preference and my personal recommendation is to create videos with your face in it. The reason why you want to create videos with your face, and that's a better way to go, is simply because people trust you more if your face is in it. I know a lot of people don't want to use their face. I don't understand why. Just use your face. If you've got a face for radio, that's fine. Nobody's going to care. The worst thing that can happen is someone doesn't like you because they don't like your face. If that's the case, you don't want those people as customers anyway. So just use your face, suck it up, use your face. All right. If you use your face, it's actually much faster to go. Anyway, so I created this not using the face, and now let's take a look what it looks like. So if I click play, this is a 5-second video, and it's actually helpful. This is something that, again, not a lot of people are doing over on Facebook. They're not being helpful. They're spamming, they're spraying and praying. All right. So what I recommend that you do is create 5 to 10 of these videos. And I'm going to show you what to do with them in just a moment. The next thing that you want to do is come back over to Facebook. So we'll take a look. You can see here, a lot of people are uploading trash. A lot of people are scamming and spamming. No one's really helping. If we look at, let's see. If we look at this Facebook group, again, a lot of junk, no one's helping. Everyone's spamming and scamming. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll back up here and we're going to upload a video. And we're going to grab that video that we just created and we are going to upload it right into the Facebook group. Now, when we do this, you're going to see the video, you're going to post upload. We can even add in a little caption here, how to start affiliate marketing, like this. I spelled marketing wrong, but that's fine. And then we're going to click post. Once that's up, what's going to happen is people are going to see our post and they're going to say, hey, this guy's actually helpful. Let me learn a little bit more about him. And this is where step 2 comes in. And this is where step 2 is so powerful. For example, this person here, Manav, he uploaded this video. Let's say it was actually helpful and people wanted to learn more about him. They're going to click on his avatar or his image or his logo, and they're going to see this, okay? This is not how you make money with Facebook. But if we look at mine, for example, let's see if I can find mine. Look at mine. Look at my image. I'm smiling here. I show my face. This image is kind of dark. He's just kind of staring into the camera. But what's most important is I've got a thing that looks like a button here that says done for you affiliate marketing. And what happens is people are going to want to click this button to get started. When they click the button to get started, you can see I have a link here that takes them over to a product that I'm selling. This can be an affiliate link, but what it should be is a link to your landing page. You want to collect emails. Can you do this without collecting emails? Yes, but should you do it without collecting emails? Absolutely not. This way is a great strategy for long-term success. And there's really no excuse not to do email marketing. You can start for free with System.io. You can start for free with Aweber and GetResponse. Do email marketing. You will be more successful with email marketing than just trying to push links and hope for a quick sale. So what you can do is you can come back over to Canva and you can type in something like Facebook cover, I spelled Facebook wrong, Facebook cover photo, like this, and you can simply recreate this. All right, you can grab some images. Let's just grab this one, for example. We can put in our brand colors. If you have colors that you like to use, we can do it. But what I just want to show you real quick is I want to show you can just create a simple rectangle. So if we go elements, we can do square and then make it into a rectangle, okay? And then you're going to click share, and then you're going to download this to your computer, and then you're going to upload this where it says edit cover photo. So you're going to want to have something like this. Now you might have to play with it a little bit because it looks different on mobile. And so you want to make sure that it looks good for mobile and on desktop, and then you can move on to the next step. The next step really is to just keep posting, okay? And if we take a look at this, this is the schedule that I have. I would do one post, a different post in every single Facebook group every single day. Now, the reason why you want to do a different post is because if you do the exact same post in every single Facebook group, you're going to look like a spammer in Facebook's eyes. But this is a simple template that I set up in Google Sheets. I had the different posts or the different Facebook groups on the left here, the days of the week, and then the 10 different posts that I created. So if you want to be as efficient as possible, make your 10 posts, 10 or 15 posts in Canva, and then find your Facebook groups and then post and make sure that they're staggered. You can also randomize this so that you're not posting in sequence or in order. But this is the best way to go. Now, in full transparency, this is a long-term game plan. You are not going to make $300 tomorrow doing this once. If you do this consistently over the next few days and weeks and even months, you will start seeing more people in your funnel, and then you can follow up with them with different affiliate products, different things that they need. This is affiliate marketing, not the spamming, not the quick, $300 per day stuff that you see on some of these other YouTube channels. This is how you build success over a long period of time. Now that you know how to monetize other people's Facebook groups, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you how to earn a full-time income without a huge following on social media, without you spending a dime on paid ads, a large mailing list, or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to austingodbold.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.